Hello friends, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video we are going to discuss an example on bottle line control. So let's look at the example first. Bottle line control. Bottles move along a conveyor, then gets filled in 15 seconds and then capped for 10 seconds only when a sensor detects the bottle. After filling and capping, the conveyor moves again. So in this case, we will use a start button, we will use a memory bit, we will use some timers like TP and TON. So let's look at the example. So let's move to EcoStruxure Machine Expert, where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. I will open EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic. I will keep read protection as active and write protection as inactive, and then click on apply. Then I will go to configuration tab. Here is a list of different logic controllers. I will select TM221C24R. I will click on it and drag it to here. Do you want to replace? Yes. So here is a device description. I can also click on a serial line where I will select protocol as TMS2GDB and then click on apply. Then I will go to programming tab. So here I will be drawing ladder diagram for bottle line control. I can click on this option to set a full screen mode, and then I can also zoom into it like this. So firstly, I will insert a normally open contact. I will assign address to it as I0.0. I will also add symbol to it as start button. Yes. And then I will insert a coil here, and then I will assign address to it as Q0.0. I will also add symbol to it as conveyor. Motor. Yes. So when I turn on start button, conveyor motor will be on. And then I will insert a new rung here. I will insert a normally open contact. I will assign address to it as I0.1. I will also add symbol to it as sensor. Yes. And then here I will insert a coil. I will assign address to it as M0. That is a memory bit. And then I will add a new rung here. And here I will insert a normally open contact. I will assign address to it as M0. And here I will insert a coil. And then I will assign address to it as Q0.1. I will also add symbol to it as filling. Yes. So when I turn on sensor, memory bit will be true. And when memory bit will be true, filling will get started. And filling will be started when there is detection of a bottle. That is when sensor will be on. And filling will be in 15 seconds. So here I will insert a timer for filling. I will change the type as TP. I will change time base to 1 second and press it as 15 and then click on apply. So filling will be there for 15 seconds. And then after 15 seconds, so I will insert one more timer here that will be T on. That is, it will be activated after that time. That I will click on this. I will change preset to 50 and time base to 1 second and then apply. So after 15 seconds, there will be capping. I will assign address to it as Q 0.2. I will also add symbol to it as capping. And capping will be there for 10 seconds. So I will insert one more timer here for capping, and that will be TP. I will change time base to second and preset value as 10 and then apply. I will click on this option and then I will draw a line to connect this with M0. So when filling and capping will start, conveyor motor should be off. So conveyor motor will be off when sensor will be on. So I will insert here normally open contact and I will assign address same as memory bit, that is M0. So conveyor motor will remain off when there will be filling and capping, and filling and capping will be done in 15 plus 10, that is 25 seconds. So memory bit should be on for 25 seconds. So here I will insert one more timer here and that should be TP. I will change time base to 1 second and press it as 25 and then click on apply. So when I turn on start button, the current will flow through it and conveyor motor will be on. And when the bottle is detected, that is when sensor is on, memory bit will remain on for 25 seconds. And when memory bit will be on, conveyor motor will stop. And in those 25 seconds, there will be filling for 15 seconds, and when the bottle is detected, capping will be done after 15 seconds. And in those 15 seconds, filling will be done, and after 15 seconds, capping will be done for 10 seconds. And then after, conveyor motor will be on. So I will exit full screen mode. I will compile the program. And then I will go to commissioning where I will launch simulator. Then I will start controller. To do so, click OK. So I will go to programming tab and click on full screen mode. So when I turn on start button, conveyor motor will run. That is, bottles will be moving along a conveyor belt. And then when bottle is detected, that is, when sensor is on, conveyor motor will be off. And then filling will start and it will be for 15 seconds. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And after that, capping will start and it will start after filling, that is after 15 seconds, and it will be for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, conveyor will run again. It was all about this example. Thank you for watching.